Back in March, a patent appeared showing an updated version of the 896 cubic centimeters DOHCV twin, last seen in Aprilia's Shiver and Dorsoduro models, now wearing the Gilera badge on its covers. Recently, prototypes have appeared on the road, confirming that the legendary name is to make its way back into the motorcycle market. This Gilera project is being undertaken by Piaggio's Chinese partner Zhongshan, which currently manufactures Aprilia-branded bikes for the Asian market. It's by far the largest displaced bike that the company's Chinese arm has yet to tackle. First signs of the project appeared last year when Zhongshan showed its RA9 concept bike, which wrapped the old Aprilia Shiver chassis and engine in eye-catching styling. With a single-sided swing arm and completely new bodywork, it was nearly unrecognizable when compared to the machine it is based on. Alongside that machine, which carried Zhongshan's high-end Cyclone badge, was an engine on a stand that was adorned with the Gilera badge, but there was no explanation why it was there. At the start of 2022, Italian management visiting the Chinese factory confirmed that it would be manufacturing a 900 cubic centimeters V-twin engine later this year, shortly before the patents showing the Gilera-branded Shiver engine were published. Recently, a pair of prototypes have been photographed parked on a busy street in China, wrapped in the usual black and white distraction camouflage. Images of the bikes have been published here. The attempt at disguise doesn't hide the fact that the two bikes are visually identical to the Aprilia Shiver. In fact, a simple set of Aprilia badges would be a far more effective way to hide what was under camo. Badges are what reveal these prototypes to be Gilera's rather than Aprilia's, despite the efforts to hide them. While the bodywork is wrapped and more black and white camo hides the branding on the clutch cover, the name Gilera is inscribed on a horizontal split element underneath the headlight lens, and again on the instruments. The instruments themselves, like pretty much every part of the prototypes, are taken directly from the Shiver, while the headlight is visually similar to the old Aprilia's but has been updated to adopt LED lighting technology, including new running lights on either side. Unlike the old Aprilia, however, the new Gilera is to be made by Zhongshan Piaggio in China, a move that presumably slashes the manufacturing costs and eliminates import taxes when the bikes are sold in the Chinese market, which is increasingly hungry for larger, more expensive motorcycles. What's unknown at the moment are Piaggio's wider plans for the Gilera brand. The Aprilia Shiver 900 was dropped in 2020, but it's still a relatively modern bike, the latest iteration having been launched in 2017. With a lower price thanks to Chinese manufacturing, it could be a tempting option globally if Piaggio decides to sell it in more markets. Since China's emissions rules are already quite strict, meeting requirements for sales in Europe or the US shouldn't be a significant hurdle.